Hi everyone. Welcome in today's newspaper on Friday, June the 12th, 2020. In this additional with extra Sudokus, we have 5 Sudokus here. A Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 4 stars, a binary, and a tectonic. So 5 Sudokus in total. And the first Sudoku, that's a Sudoku with 1 star. We will start first with this Sudoku, so let's get started. Alright, we have here in this big square 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6. So in this big square, no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. Then let me see. 4. In this column, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4s in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there in the last column. We see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place for a 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for a 4 should be here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 4. Let's see with another digit. How about the number? Let me see. How about thinking too long. But in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in this box. So the 2 could be here or could be there. So in the last column, we have a 2 here. In the column next, we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So in that column, the only place for a 2 should be here. And in the first column, we have 2 missing numbers. Now we have a 2 here. And one of the missing number is a 2. So in the last row, in this box, cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 1 box is missing in this first column. There should be the number 7. 7 is missing. Alright. And then how about the number yeah. these three numbers, then 7 is missing, the 1 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 3 is missing. We see here 3, so no 3 there. Here also 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. The 7 and the 1 are left. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then the 3 in this row, the 3 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about the number? The 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places for a 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 in this row, third row, 7 in that row, the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Yes. In this big square, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these two boxes. There 7, no 7 in those two boxes. So the 7 could be here or there. So in this row we have one of these two boxes could be a 7. In the middle row we have a 7 over there. So in the row above, the only place for a 7 should be here. In this row, we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. I see here 7, no 7 there. Here also a 7, no 7 there. The only place for a 7 should be there. And then... two numbers left in this big square. For the number 6 and 4, we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and 4 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for a 6 should be there. And then okay, how about no. These two numbers in this row, missing numbers are the 2 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 5 and a 9, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. The missing numbers 2 and an 8. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for a 2 should be here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these two boxes. There 2, no 2 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places for a 2 here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and all the 2's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so in the middle column, the only place for a 4 should be here, and all the 4's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 5 in this row. 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for a 5 here or there. I see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for a 5 should be here, and all the 5's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. And now, how about these 2 boxes are left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 8, I see here the 2, 1 and 8, I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. Then I see here in this row 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there, but we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used, I can see. Yes. And now 1 number left in this column for the number 6, I believe. Yes. Then how about these 2 numbers? Oh, sorry, 1 number left in this column for the number 9. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. Then 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the middle column, the only 2 places for a 7 here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 2 numbers left. Can I fill this? No, because those numbers are the 9 and the 6. I need more information. 9 and the 6. That means 1 number left in this last row. That should be the number 9 and the 6. This should be a number 3. Here we have also the same numbers as there, the 9 and the 6. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this. Oh, I made a mistake. 9 and a 1, because we have a 9 here. But the 6 is correct. I see here 6, so this should be a 1. Stupid mistake. Need to double check it. 1 number left in this last column, number 1. 1, 2, 3 is missing, and a 9. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. And then 1, 2, 3 is missing, and the 6 is missing in the first row. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 9 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. You like this? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Again, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku that will be a Sudoku with 2 stars. So, see you later, and bye bye for now.